The EcoJet technology demonstration platform is really setting up for the tools of the future of our company. Today, I'm pleased to announce the collaboration on this project with the University of Victoria Centre for Aerospace Research. They bring a lot of knowledge of this scale of testing to the table that really helps us develop the requirement. And our commitment for sustainability is a goal that we will achieve, but it's an aggressive goal, and rightfully so. By actually working with universities, by using this coast-to-coast Canada collaboration part of it all, it really acts as an accelerant to technology and will get us to the place that we've committed to be.